Hello, everyone. Welcome to another Alchemy 365 video. Today, we're discussing manufacturing, and in particular, the key differences between discrete and process manufacturing, and what that means when you're looking for an ERP system. So, if you're a manufacturer, you know that not all production processes are the same. For instance, if you're doing cars or if you're doing chemicals, um, the ERP system needs to match those operations, and both those operations are completely different. So, how do you know if you need an ERP for discrete manufacturing or process manufacturing? Well, in this video, we'll break down the key differences so you can select the right ERP for your business. Now, the first thing we need to discuss is the key differences between discrete and process manufacturing. So, for discrete manufacturing, think of products that can be disassembled. So, cars, electronics, furniture, things like that. They use bill of materials or BOM to assemble parts into a finished product, and each unit is unique and can count. And if you're looking at a process manufacturer, think of products that can be made in batches or formulas like chemicals, food, or things like paint. They use recipes and formulas instead of BOM, and the end product can't be broken down into its original components, such as like a chair or something like that. It's a batch. You can't really break down food or paint back to its original components. So why does the ERP need to match the manufacturing type? There's key differences in the processes. So, for instance, inventory management, discrete manufacturers track parts, while process manufacturers track ingredients and yields. When you're doing production planning, discrete production is step by step, while process manufacturing, you can deal in batch formulas. For quality and compliance, process manufacturing also usually requires FDA, GMP, or other regulatory tracking. And then for traceability, if you need to recall a car part or something like that, it's a lot different than tracking a contaminated food batch. So, how do you choose the right ERP for your manufacturing type? What are the key features that you're going to need? So, if you're a discrete manufacturer, some of the things we discussed, you'll need a BOM feature or bill of materials management, made to order, made to stock capabilities, inventory tracking for individual components. You'll need work order and job costing features. And then for a process manufacturing ERP, you'll need batch processing, recipe management, lot and serial traceability, yield calculations, waste tracking, and then compliance and quality control features. So then some common mistakes to avoid when you're searching for an ERP for either manufacturing system. It's One of them is choosing a one size fits all ERP. So not all ERPs can handle both discrete and process manufacturing well. And then also ignoring compliance needs. So if you're food, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals, compliance and tracking is a must. While if you're doing cars and things like that, not thinking about scalability. So if this is your first ERP system, maybe you're moving from QuickBooks or pen and paper or things like that. Not thinking about scaling. If you want to add a new warehouse, new product lines with new batches, for instance, so the ERP system needs to be able to scale with you. And then just some things for Alchemy 365. So we support both discrete and process manufacturing, whether you're doing products or assembling formulas, batch management, BOM. We support all those for both discrete and process manufacturing. We actually, I'll put the link in the description, but we have a blog that goes into this in a lot more detail than we can cover in this short video. So feel free to check it out. Like and subscribe. We really appreciate all the support. It helps get our word out there. And if you wanted to see more, come back for our next video. Take care.